So, sa mga estudyante ha, sa lahat ng universidad, ng mga koleyo, subscribe to Mr. Caliber para magkaroon kayo ng chance. Malay nyo, wala tayong mechanics ha, wala. Subscriber kita, dadaan ako dyan sa university, yung Team Caliber. Pag kinalabit kita, are you a subscriber? Pagka naipakita mong subscriber kita, pwede na, may chance na mabayaran natin yung tuition mo. According to St. Luke, listen. According to St. Luke, the kingdom of God is in the heart of man. Not man, not woman, but men. You know what's the meaning of man? General, including men and women. Men, yes. Men and women. Men, yes. Not man, okay? The kingdom of God is in the heart of man. Very specifically, not just one, 10, hundreds, thousand, or million men, but in all men, in all of you. All you have to do is try to clean your heart, so the Spirit of God may enter and become a kingdom. Then your heart will become His kingdom. I'm sorry for the choice of word. Alright? Again, ulitin ko according to St. Luke's to. Hindi according sa akin. Hindi according ko kay FLM. According to St. Luke's. The kingdom of God is in the heart of men. Not just 1, 10, hundreds, thousand, or million men. But in all men. In all of you. All you have to do, clean your heart. Forgive. But never forget. Okay? Forgive them, those who wrong you, as you forgive yourself. That is one part how to cleanse your heart. Okay? When it become pure, you can feel it. Okay? You can feel it. Pag na pure na yan, then that is the time. The Spirit of God will enter your heart at magiging kingdom niya yan. So, totoo yung sinabi ni St. Luke, that the kingdom of God is in the heart of men. Tatandaan nyo lagi, history will not recorded what we say, but it will recorded what we do. Yes. So, what I did in the past is giving myself to others. And that is history. Not all people have the chance to be part of the history. Whether we like it or not, whether you like it or whether you don't like it. FLM is FLM. FLM is already created a remarkable change in the lives of those poverty-stricken countrymen. Not only the poverty, including all the Filipino na naabot niya during the pandemic, the heights of COVID-19. A man who stands against all odds. Yes. In pursuing his dream of helping his fellow men. Yes. Ay, English yun. Naintindihan niyo ba yun? Yes. That is history. Whatever you say, it will not be recorded. Again, history will not recorded what we say, but history will recorded what we do. You know, the very essence of all my message to all of you, I'm going to repeat over and over again. That the absence of gentleness in the heart of men will lead us to loss. Hindi ko pwedeng alisin sa inyo yung pagiging skeptical. Katulad nga nung sinabi ko dun sa mga salita ko before, our knowledge has made us cynical. Our cleverness made us skeptical. We strive for the best, but unconsciously, you feel less to people who need you. Yes. Marami kang alibi. You have so many reasons and alibi. Hindi mo pa sila diretsuhin, hindi kita kayang tulungan ngayon. Yan. As I have said, we need kindness and gentleness better than cleverness, because the absence of the two qualities in the heart of man, life will be savage and all will be lost. Alam nyo, during my incarceration, I remember during my incarceration, many of our brothers and sisters inside prison, they are professional. There is a lawyer, there is a politician, of course, there is a professor whom with me incarcerated. They lost their way. Why? They even lost their way out because they are convicted for life. And you know why? Because greediness to fame, greediness to power, greediness to wealth have poisoned their soul. And especially envy to someone will poison not only your soul but including your spirit.